Hello students, this is H.D. Pawar, lecturer Department of Economics from Gokte PU College of Commerce and Science, Belgaum. We will continue with measures of central tendency from the textbook Statistics for Economics. This is the sixth part. Today we will do median for continuous data. So under the grouped data, there are two types, that is discrete and continuous. Today we begin with continuous. Before we go, there's an important note before doing the continuous data. If the class interval is given in inclusive method, it should be converted to exclusive method both for median and mode sums. Okay, now you know the types of class interval. There are two types, inclusive and exclusive. Inclusive is what? Which includes both the lower limit as well as the upper limit in the same class interval. And exclusive is what? The lower limit is included in the same class interval, but upper limit is excluded from that class interval and it becomes the lower limit of the next class interval. Okay, so for you have to keep this in mind while solving median and mode sums. If it is given in exclusive, just to start the problem directly, but if it is inclusive method, then you will have to convert it to exclusive. That is, for example, exclusive method is say 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. There is continuity. Whereas in inclusive, say it is 0 to 9, then next class interval will begin from 10 to 19, then 20 to 29 and so on. So you need to convert it first. Then there is the formula. I will just show you the formula here. The formula for continuous data to solve median is, firstly you need to find the median class. How will you find the median class? That is n divided by tooth item. Okay, then after that the formula you will apply, that is L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF, that is cumulative frequency, divided by simple frequency into I. So let's see what all these things notations are. So here L1 is the lower limit of the median class, L2 is the upper limit of the median class, CF is the cumulative frequency preceding means before to the cumulative frequency of the median class. Then I is the length or the size of the median class. N is the number of observations or the total of frequency, you can say. And F is simple frequency of median class. Yes. Now let's take the example from the size of land holdings of 380 families in a village. Find the median size of land holdings. Okay, land holding means the area of land held by the farmers is given, that is less than 100, then 100 to 200. Here less than 100 means it will be 0 to 100, then 100 to 200, 200 to 300 and so on. Then here 400 and above means 400 to 500. Number of farmers is given, less than 100 acres held is by number of farmers is 40, then 89, 148, 64 and 39 is the problem. Let's solve it. Now you just put the problem, copy the problem. Class interval is given as 0 to 100, then 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 and above. Then here frequency as it is given in the problem, note it down: 40, 89, 148, 64 and 39. Okay, first thing you find n. What is n? N is the number of frequencies. So you add 40 plus 89 plus 148 plus 64 plus 39. You will get 380 as the frequency as it is given in the problem. Then here you need to calculate CF column, cumulative frequency. I have told you in the previous discrete sums also, how to find CF. CF is what? You will go on adding the number of frequencies. So first one 40 frequency, you see, you will write first 40 in the CF column, then this 40 you will add to 89, next frequency you will get 129, this 129 you will add to the third frequency 148, you will get 277, 277 you will add to 64, you will get 341, 341 you will add to 341 you will add to 39, you will get 380. Now just see whatever is the number of frequency given here, the total of frequency, that should, the last cumulative frequency should be matching with the total frequency. Now here I have shown the things that we require in the formula in shaded in different colors. That is, we require is just see the formula once more. N upon 2, that is n upon 2 is what? N we require is 380 divided by 2 we will be doing. Then we will want to find the median class. So here we have already found, I have shown it here, 200 to 300 is the median class, F is the simple frequency of the median class, and 129 here is the cumulative frequency preceding to the cumulative frequency of median class. Okay, so this is the median class, and before the the cumulative frequency before the median class, this is the median class 277 cumulative frequency, one before it is what? 129. So we will be needing this 200 to 300, 148, 129 and 380. I will show you how we will calculate it again. Okay, so here we will begin with the problem. Median class we need to find first. N upon 2th item, n total number of frequencies are 380 divided by 2, we will get 190th item. Now just see here, 190th item is located through the cumulative frequency. Now just see in cumulative frequency column, 190, does 190 fall in 40? No. 129? No. 190 is included in 277, so you will draw a line here. I have just underlined it, 277, 148 and 200 to 300. So 190th item lies, 190th item, that is 277, lies in the median class, where 200 to 300. So 200 to 300 is the median class. So once you find the median class, in that same class frequency F is determined here, and median class, the cumulative frequency preceding or before the median class, that is 129, the previous one you are going to take. Okay, so here 380 upon 2 is 190th item. So median class of 190th item is located through CF column, and we get the median class as 200 to 300. Then the formula here is what? L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So L1 is what here? Now lower limit of the class interval, 200 to 300, lower limit is 200. Frequency in that median class is 148, cumulative frequency preceding to median class is 129. I, that is size of the class interval, that is upper limit minus the lower limit, you will get it as 100. So put the values here. So L1 is what? 200 plus n upon 2 is what? We have got n upon 2 is 380 divided by 2, 190. So you put 190 here minus the CF 129 divided by simple frequency 148 into class size, that is 300 minus 200, we have got 100 here. Now you take the next step, you come to 200 as it is, you will write plus sign here. Now you will do 190 minus 129, you are going to get 61, and the rest as it is, you are writing it 148 into 100. Then the next step again, 200 as it is, Then 61 into 100, you are getting 6100 divided by 148 is equals to, next step again, 200 you will write as it is. You will do this division part first. 6100 divided by 148 you are getting is 41.216. So 200 plus 41.216, median is how much? 241.22. You have reduced it to 2 decimal points only. 6, that is more than 5 and more than 5, you can cut it and you can add it to the second decimal point. So 2.21 becomes 0.222. So median is 241.22. I hope you have understood this. You can similarly, you on this similar lines you can take any problems and solve it. See that the formula you put correct and follow proper method. That is, first the minus part you will do, then the division part you will do, and next is lastly you will do addition part. So for today this is sufficient. Thank you.